Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Learn CSC with RT ma'am. In this video, we're going to see the tuple assignment. So, what is a tuple assignment? Which is important 8 mark question. So, Python has a very powerful feature called tuple assignment. This tuple assignment feature allows tuple of a variable on the right side of the assignment to be assigned to the tuple of the variable on the left side. Okay, assignment is nothing but we're using an equal to operator, right? So whatever is there in the right side will be assigned to the left side. So that is tuple assignment. Tuple assignment has two important concepts, namely tuple packing and tuple unpacking. So what is tuple packing? In tuple packing, the value on the right side are packed together in a tuple. So what is the difference you can see from tuple and a list? So this braces plays a first important role. This is open brace and close brace, whereas in list you will be using square brackets. Okay, and the values inside the tuple can be of character and number or a combination of both. So okay, so these are the difference of a list and tuple. A tuple can have any combination, whereas list can also have any combination, but the brackets makes the difference between a list and a tuple. So I'm going to pack this whole three variables into a single tuple. Okay, so I'm going to pack these three to a tuple called B. So okay, now this is tuple unpacking. In tuple unpacking, the values in the tuple on the left are unpacked into a variable name on the right. Okay, now I'm going to unpack in the sense reverse of packing. So we know B is equal to Bob 18 meg, and I'm going to unpack. I'm going to say name, age, and studies equal to B. Okay, I'm declaring three tuples into B. So this is unpacking. So what happens when I give name? It will be assigned with Bob. When I give age, it will be assigned with 18, and when I give studies, it will be assigned with Mick. Okay, you know this B contains all these three, right? And this and the name, age, and studies, which is which is the left side, are unpacked with B. Okay, so name becomes Bob, and age becomes 18, and studies becomes Mick. So this is the concept of unpacking. One important thing you have to remember for unpacking is that both the values in the right and left has to be same, okay, or you'll get an error. So name, age, study should have three parameters here also. If you give two, it'll throw you an error. Now let us see an example for tuple assignment. Okay, now I'm going to swap two variables. The traditional method is using a temporary variable, right? Temp equal to a, equal to b equal to temp. But with this tuple assignment, we can just replace these three steps with a single step. A comma b equal to b comma a will assign me b equal to a and a equal to b. Okay, this is a very attractive concept for tuple assignment, where you can use the single statement in your programs if you want to swap two numbers. Okay, don't forget to use this tuple assignment concept in your programs if you want to swap two numbers. To learn more engineering concepts easily, just don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment.